Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to make cute little round tags with scalloped edges. If you're scrapbooking, or perhaps if you're making gift items and you want to put little gift tags on them, this is a way that you can make a cute little round tag with a scalloped edge like this. I'm going to use these paper shaper scissors that you can get in any craft store. I already took a little piece of cardstock and cut it into a circle. And you can do this freehand. I used a die cut machine to get this shape. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my paper edgers and just go along the edge of the circle as close as to the edge as possible. And it cuts a nice little scalloped edge. Now, if you have a die cut machine that already does the scalloped edge, well, then you don't even need to do this step. Mine just does a regular circle, so I'm going in with this to get this effect. You can just keep following the edge of the circle. It doesn't have to be exact. You know, sometimes a little imperfection just kind of gives it a unique look. It's part of the fun of being creative. Don't have to be exact. So now you have this little round tag. Then I'm going to use a hole punch to be able to attach it to whatever it is that you can just glue it down if you want to, or if you want to attach it to something with a ribbon, you put a little hole and then just put some ribbon through it. You can use any kind you want, any color, and tie a little knot. So say you're attaching this to a gift bag, you can just loop it on like that. Write whatever you want to, the name of the person the gift is for, or perhaps if you're putting this on a jar of something and you want to write what it is to identify it. There are all kinds of uses for something like this, and that is how you can make a cute little tag with scalloped edges. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.